There is a lot to prepare for this year when kids go back to school. During the pandemic, many students had online classes, and now they will have to navigate the halls and classrooms again.
Yeah, some students are excited, of course. Some are anxious. And 10 on your side's Kiahnna Patterson shares how to help your child manage those feelings.
Experts say it all starts at home. Parents have to be the solid ground when it comes to positive thinking as we head into the new school year. And Chesapeake Schools hired a new position all geared to help students, staff, and parents dealing with those emotions as we go into the school year. With the start of the school year, many kids will move through challenges and be okay, but some may have difficulty managing nerves.
Who could have predicted that we would be in a pandemic and we would be in moments such as these?
Sudden changes with the pandemic revealed the need for additional help within Chesapeake Schools. Tawana Fortune, a 30-year school psychologist, will lead the charge when it comes to social and emotional learning, or SEL.
We do our trainings that can still be triggers for you.
Fortune will work with school social workers and psychologists, also counselors, to help students transition. Last school year, students switched to virtual learning, then back in person, somewhat of a whirlwind experience.
But because we've had the pandemic and because so many kids have been in their home environments, we understand that they may need a little bit more of a bridge into the school system.
With the return to in-person learning, masks are required for health precautions, but she believes the classroom setting will help students feel better.
So being in the school environment will really help them transition back to just some levels of safety for themselves.
Now the concern is how much did students learn and retain? Some may experience the COVID slide. This year, parents should allow their children about a month to adjust instead of 2 weeks in the past.
Now, because we have that pandemic, we know we've got to extend that.
Many school districts work closely with CHKD to provide students help with managing those feelings of anxiety or concerns about going back to school.
I think the older the child is, the more they may be hearing things or seeing things.
The last year was challenging. Michelle Tryon, a CHKD educator, says now parents should help students process what happened.
When we talk about processing what they've gone through and looking at what their strengths are, then we can move forward to preparing them for what's coming next.
Because we understand that people have gone through trauma.
Fortune is also focusing on sharing tips with teachers and parents with training sessions on self-care and wellness, all to prevent burnout.
A lot of this is going to start at home.
With watching out for changes in behavior.
Parents will know sleeping habits are off a little bit, eating habits are off a little bit, maybe a little bit of irritability, just like we see with adults, right? If parents understand that we've got that 2 to 4 week time period, understanding that we've got the supports there, I think that helps parents in their own anxieties about sending their students to school.
The key is to be compassionate with others.
And there's so much uncertainty, we can't even say what's going to happen, you know. We're just letting them know that whatever happens, I'm going to be here for you.
And we've reached out to all 7 cities to see what resources they have with students struggling with that transition and those social and emotional needs. We have that full list over on WAVY.com. In the newsroom, Kiahnna Patterson, 10 on your side.